Welcome to our channel. Storm Rider. The USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 is one of the most advanced and visually striking warships ever built. And in 2026, this stealth destroyer continues to represent what many describe as the future of naval warfare. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a traditional destroyer. Its sleek, angular shape, sloped composite hull, and almost pyramid-like forward structure are all designed for one main purpose: to drastically reduce radar visibility. Although it is a 610-foot vessel weighing nearly 15,000 tons, it presents a radar signature comparable to a small fishing boat. That means in a hostile environment, enemy surveillance and missile systems have a much harder time spotting and targeting it, an enormous tactical advantage. The Zumwalt was built as a multi-mission platform: land attack, surface warfare, anti-air operations, and even future integration with hypersonic weapons and next-generation missiles. Its propulsion system is fully electric, powered by an integrated power system, or IPS, that works more like a power plant than a traditional naval engine room. The ship's turbines generate massive electrical output, enough to run propellers, radar, advanced computing systems, and even future directed energy weapons without requiring separate power sources. This shift from mechanical propulsion to electric power gives the Zumwalt smoother performance, quieter operation, and room to grow technologically over the next few decades. Inside, the ship uses automation to reduce crew size. Instead of the traditional 300 or more sailors required on older destroyers, Zumwalt operates with around half that number, yet its advanced sensors, automated damage control, and networked communication systems make it incredibly capable. The command and control systems are built around a digital backbone, displaying battlefield information across high-resolution interfaces designed for rapid targeting and mission planning, meaning decisions can be made faster and with more precision. The Zumwalt's hull design is another unique feature: the tumblehome shape, where the sides slope inward rather than outward, helps reduce radar detection, but also cuts through waves differently. While this design sparked debate in its early testing because of stability concerns in harsh seas, it ultimately proved effective, giving the ship a smooth ride while keeping stealth advantages intact. On the weapons side, Zumwalt was originally built with the advanced gun system, giant 155mm guns, intended to fire long-range land attack rounds at targets over 60 miles away. These guns are still part of the ship, but the cost of ammunition made the system impractical, and plans shifted toward replacing them with hypersonic missile launchers, turning Zumwalt into a long-range strike platform capable of hitting targets at extreme distances. The shift toward hypersonic weaponry, traveling faster than Mach 5, could turn the destroyer into a first-strike asset, able to evade modern defenses and engage high-value targets such as command centers, anti-ship missile batteries, or key infrastructure. Its missile system already includes vertical launch systems capable of firing Tomahawk cruise missiles, SM-series naval interceptors, and anti-ship weapons. With upgraded radar and computing power, Zumwalt can track, identify, and engage enemy aircraft, drones, and incoming missiles with high accuracy across a wide radius, effectively acting as both hunter and shield for a carrier group or amphibious task force. Beyond firepower and stealth, much of the Zumwalt's value is its modular, future-proof design. Unlike older warships that require full structural changes to add new weapons or electronics, Zumwalt was built with open architecture systems, meaning new missile tubes, sensors, AI-driven targeting modules, and directed energy weapons like high-power lasers or railguns can be integrated as technology advances. Its large internal volume and high electrical power output make it one of the few ships prepared to operate such energy-intensive systems without major retrofitting. This gives the Navy flexibility. Zumwalt can evolve instead of becoming outdated. Even its deck operations are automated. Advanced sensors, fire suppression, and drone support capabilities allow the destroyer to deploy unmanned aerial vehicles, underwater drones, and intelligence systems to scout environments long before human crews are in danger. With threats shifting globally toward long-range missiles, heavily defended coastlines, and precision-guided weapons, the ability to stay hidden, strike from far away, and carry flexible payloads makes this vessel strategically valuable. There are still controversies worth noting. Zumwalt was incredibly expensive to develop, costing billions more than originally projected, and only 3 hulls were built instead of the planned fleet. Critics argue that the Navy could have bought several proven destroyers for the same price. However, supporters believe Zumwalt is a testbed for future naval technology, similar to how stealth aircraft introduced ideas that later became standard. The ship's composite superstructure and electronic warfare suites allow it to jam, mislead, or confuse enemy sensors without revealing its location, meaning it can operate in contested waters where conventional ships would be spotted immediately. Its acoustic signature, the underwater sound it emits, is also drastically lower than typical destroyers, helping it avoid submarines. From a defensive standpoint, the ship's computing system constantly analyzes threats, and its automated response systems reduce reaction time in emergencies such as missile attack, fire, or flooding. Even the living quarters are more modern and comfortable than older warships, improving quality of life for the smaller crew and reducing fatigue on long deployments. In short, the USS Zumwalt blends stealth, power, automation, and advanced weapons in a futuristic package unlike anything else on the ocean in 2026. For viewers who aren't military tech experts, the simplest way to understand Zumwalt is this. It's like taking a warship, a data center, and a power plant, and combining them into one stealthy machine designed to hit hard, stay invisible, and adapt to future weapons we haven't even fully deployed yet. It may look unusual, it may be controversial, but it is a glimpse of what advanced naval engineering could become in the decades ahead.